Hey everyone! Today I've got a super delicious and easy recipe for you. Buffalo chicken casserole. It's perfect for a quick dinner or meal prep. Let's dive right in. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread your cauliflower florets on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, and sprinkle with ranch seasoning mix. Give it a good toss to coat everything evenly and bake for 20 minutes. While that's roasting, reduce your oven heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, combine your ranch-roasted cauliflower and cooked chicken. For the sauce, mix together buffalo sauce, plain Greek yogurt, and half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese in a small bowl. Now, add that buffalo sauce mixture to your chicken and cauliflower. Stir gently until everything is fully combined. Spread this mixture into a 9x 13-inch casserole dish. Top with the remaining cheddar cheese and blue cheese crumbles. Bake for another 20 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Garnish with thinly sliced celery, green onions, and an extra drizzle of buffalo sauce if you like. And there you have it, a mouth-watering buffalo chicken casserole that's sure to please any crowd. Remember, you can always substitute sour cream for Greek yogurt or mozzarella for cheddar cheese. Store any leftovers in the fridge for up to 3 days or freeze for up to 2 months. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tasty recipes. See you next time.